I want to give you another example of using a ternary, this time in a return statement. I have this function here, get delta, takes two parameters, x and y, and just returns their difference. If x is greater than y, it returns x minus y, otherwise it returns y minus x. And then I just call it and print out the results. Uh, I have it started with x is 5 and y is 3. So x is larger than y, so it's going to return 5 minus 3. And when I run this, 5 minus 3 is 2. You see that here. If we change y to be bigger, now when we run this, 8, since y is larger than 5, it returns 8 minus 5, which is 3. Now this can be done with the ternary a lot more simply. And I'll show you what that looks like. So instead of having an if-else, you have your if condition. So I like to put my parentheses around my whole ternary. You put in your if condition, which is x is greater than y, then question mark, and then the value if it's true, which is going to be x minus y, colon, and then the value if that condition is false, which is y minus x. Let's put in a couple more parentheses just to make this clear. And now I can get rid of this. So now when I run this, exact same output. Let's change this back to 2. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So there you go. So again, the way this works, in a ternary, it's going to evaluate the first part, which is the conditional x greater than y. If that's true, then it's going to return the first portion, which is x minus y. If this is false, then it returns the last portion, which is y minus x.